Yan,
Hi, good morning.
pakilala kayo, ma'am.
I'm Elna po, owner po ng Apayo Pasalubong Center. We are catering about the Apayo products po from Apayao, and we have handicrafts and food products. Yes po.
Sige, ma'am. Explain niyo some products. Paki-explain po ng konti. Saan po siya gawa? Anong material?
This is a seagrass bag from Apayo po. Gawa iyan ng mga IT people. They are disabled din po. Then yung mga baskets naman namin from Aita. Yung mga gawa ng mga Aita yan.
Ay, mga basket.
Yes.
Okay.
And this one is from Apayo din po. Gawa ng mga youth. Young entrepreneur association po. Yung mga walang mga trabaho.
So these are bamboo.
Yes. No, it's not a bamboo. It's a runo.
What? Runo?
We call this runo. And
Okay.
this is the nito. This is nito.
Parang siyang bamboo
Yes, parang bamboo siya.
Mm.
And this is the bamboo. Yung market basket.
Okay.
Yan yung market basket. And this one modified the runo tree. And then ito naman po yung mga rice coffee from Kajoma. From Kajoma.
Rice coffee.
Yes, rice coffee. And this is VCO from Apayo.
Virgin coconut oil.
Then we have VCO soap. Yes, and this is Sibes. We call that Artem.
Artem.
Artem, yes, Artem. And this is Pinya Gold, made from Pinya.
Okay.
And
So
then,
parang
mga
vinegar to.
Yes, vinegar po talaga.
Vinegar talaga. Okay. So made from ano pong pinaka pineapple.
Spices. And then this one is pineapple.
Okay.
Spices. And then yung mga cocoa vinegar. Cocoa vinegar made of cocoa.
Okay. Then you also have Bugnay wine.
Yes, it's Bugnay wine and then pineapple wine.
Pineapple wine.
Yes.
Then Cafe Barako.
Yes po.
So from Baguio din?
Apayaw.
Apayaw.
And then we have a honey din.
Honey, okay.